I'm Nicola. Today we're going to draw a barn owl. Right, so where shall I start? I've got a picture here that I've already drawn on the computer, so that's the one we're going to do today. I'll just put that back in front of me so I can copy it. Cheating a bit there. So I might start with a beak. So the beak is just like that. There we go. And then I'm going to do this slowly, and then you can copy. I would use a pencil to start with, and then any mistakes, I always make mistakes, so I use a pencil and a rubber, and then I go over with a pen afterwards. So that's going to be like that. Now we're going to draw each eye. Now I've remembered this time, start at this side. If I start at this side, and then I can see that eye when I draw that one. I always do it wrong, and then I can't see that one. So I'm going to start here and draw the eye, like that, and then I can try and draw the other similar. Okay, that's that. Now I'm going to draw the face bit now. I'm going to go round slowly. Tricky. I'm going to do it quite rounded and smooth there. And then I'm going to do some wavy and wobbly, just like that. I suppose it's a bit like frills around the edge. It looks like them doily mats, doesn't it? The ones where you put your cup on. I used to go and stay at my grandma's. We used to have to put our cup on that. You'd be in trouble if you didn't. Right. So, to go around here, try and not touch the little wobbly bits. You might rather turn your page round like that, and then you can draw easier, because it's hard to bend your hand sometimes. I find turning the page can help. So there we go, that's the start of his head. Now then, what shall we do next? So I'm just going to come down. I'll do this slowly and then you can draw it. So I'll do that. I'm going to stop there. Okay. And then, where shall I do next? I'm going to draw lines like that. That needs to leave that gap for a second. And then another one. These are going to be the feathers, you see, as you could probably work out. So, up, like that. Okay. Now this one I'm going to draw, and I'm going to come all the way round and down to here. So I'll draw it first, and then you can do yours. I'm going to stop there. And then I'm going to draw going up, and I'm going to stop there like that, because I'm going to have another feather coming in here. I'm going to go all the way around. I've got a box at the side of me here. I have to use it because I've not got a camera stand, so I've used a box, a pile of books, and a coat hanger on the top balancing my phone. So that's that bit. I'll shut up talking about my stand. Okay, now this bit is going to come and connect to there. And then I'm going to have this bit coming to there. I'm going to have to turn my page a little bit now. Sorry about this, but I keep clanking the pen on the box. So I'm going to come round like that. And I'm going to connect that to there. Just turn it back for you, then you can see. So yeah, like I said, use a pencil and then rub out. I never draw straight away with a pen. Well, sometimes, but very rarely, because I make mistakes and then I can correct them. So there we go. There's those feathers. Now then, let's have a look. What should I do next? What should I do? I'm going to do the body coming in. So we're going to go down here. I'll draw it first and then you can copy. I'm going to stop there because I need the legs on there. Okay, now you're going to be able to see a little bit. I think you will probably see a little bit of the wing here. Just done that, hanging down. Okay, now the leg. I'm going to draw his leg coming down and I'm going to stop right there. Okay, and then I'm going to do a zigzaggy line. And then I'm going to go up to there. And then that's going to join to there. Slightly rounded that bit. So, watch her claws. These are a bit hard to do actually, the claws. So, I'm going to draw this foot like that. And then I'm going to have another one like that. And then I'm going to draw the claws on sharp claws for catching stuff. So, I'm just going to go round like that. And then another short claw on there. And then I think you might be able to see the leg at the back. So I'm going to just draw that bit there. Then we need a claw on there, big foot again. And then there's his claws, a bit tricky. So now we need to make his eyes come alive because they don't really look that alive. So what we're going to do for that is I'm going to draw circle first and then another like that. Okay, and then I'm going to colour the outside and same on this one. There we go. So it looks like it's got shiny eyes. It just brings them alive a little bit. So I'm not too keen on that one because it's not matching that one, but if you'd done it in pencil first you'd have it perfect. So that should have been a bit higher up, but I think it will do. I think it looks like a bit like a barn owl. Have I missed anything off? I think that's it. I think we're right. So I'd like to see your pictures. If you send them to me, you'll find my details in the description below. I'm a writer of children's books and an illustrator, so I've got my own page. So I will post them on my Facebook page. So thank you for watching. Hope to see your pictures and see you next time.